Small talk can be challenging if you're an English language learner. I have put together a list of 10 good and better questions that will help you survive that awkward small talk that happens around the office, especially if you're an advanced English language learner. I'm going to give you two sentences, a starter sentence and a more advanced sentence, and you pick what feels better or more authentic to you. Here we go. So, one question might be, do you have any plans for the holidays? But a better way to ask that, are you spending the holidays with family or taking some time for yourself? It's a little bit deeper, warmer, and a little more connected. Here's another one. Are you taking time off during the holidays? A better way to say that, are you planning any trips or activities during your time off? It's always interesting to hear how people celebrate or relax this time of year. A third one would be, do you celebrate any holidays this season? That's actually really important because you do not know what religion or celebrations the person that you're talking to engages with. But an even better way to say it would be, what's your favorite part about celebrating this time of year? I love that one. Now, a fourth one. How's your holiday shopping going? Or even better, have you come across any interesting or creative gift ideas? It can be so hard to find the right things sometimes. Keep the tone warm but professional. These questions allow for connections without overstepping boundaries. And remember, always use active listening so you can respond to their answers with follow-up comments or questions to show genuine interest. We are going to put them in a PDF and just request it, and we'll send it your way. From my heart to yours, I hope you enjoy this holiday season. This is Linda, your American accent coach and founder of Be Understood, wishing you a happy holiday and reminding you to stay curious, keep practicing, and keep growing.